What is up, everybody? Good morning. It's your boy Daniel coming to you again with another video. And today I finally decided to do my Mid-Mufflers delete on this bad boy. So we're gonna go today to the muffler shop to go get it cut, and we'll see how it sounds, because my brother's locked in there. That sounds nice, sounds amazing. And let's go do them today. Let's go see how we do, because I like it. I like how it sounds. Well, this is already a warm start. That's already warm, you know. The trash. That's just the warm start already, getting ready to go. We're gonna do mid pipes, and it just sounds better when it's mid pipes. I've seen it from my brother, from one of my boys that has a Hemi, but it sounds way better on the scat bag. So we're gonna do them today, and we'll see where we'll go from there.
I'm tired.
So we just finished eating breakfast, you know, at IHOP. Regular good Friday morning. I'm tired. Alright, so we're gonna head out to the spot muffler shop. There's one around here. We're gonna check them out, see the good price, and then let's go get them cut. I know my wife ain't gonna like it, but
This is my car.
it's not her car, it's my car. But we're gonna go get them cut, and we'll see how it sounds after.
Who's that?
Who did? And we'll go from there. That's what happens when you eat a big meal in the morning. It gets you tired. It doesn't. It gets you sleepy, even though it's like beginning of the morning. It's like 9:46. Oh, Gracie, we're gonna go get them cut today.
No.
It sounds way better like that. Cut. That's gonna be the other mod I'm gonna be doing to my car. Alright, so we're about to put up right there at George's Mufflers. My boy used to work at right here by Osteria Colima. You know what I'm talking about, my boy Javier, right there. Well, three of my boys. Lepe, you got my boy Chava, used to work right here. And so let's pull up and let's see what's up. Oh, look, they got an antenna up there. Michael? Is that Michael?
Oh?
Michael? Michael's that you getting a fucking muffler dealer with?
It's not working, bro.
Alright, let's go. Put this down. Take my phone. Grace, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Now here we are, George's Mufflers. Let's go check it out. ¿Qué onda, jefe?
¿Qué pasa, brother? ¿Cómo estás?
¿Bien usted? Buenos días.
Ah, mira.
Mira pues, Mid-Muffler deletes, ¿cuántos?
Mid-Mufflers.
Ajá.
¿Cuál es el May?
El del medio.
Atrás.
Del medio.
Es dual, ¿no?
Ajá.
$80 de los Estados Unidos.
¿80?
Sí, señor.
Alright, so $80 ain't that bad, you know. My boy said he was a good good person here, and we're about to check him out. Alright, baby. $80? Yeah.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Mira, that looks scary.
What looks scary?
It's a botanica.
Where?
Right there on the window. You don't see the person just standing there? Right there, bro. What is that?
Oh no,
Is this
it's no, it's a person.
Shut the fuck up. That shit's locked. How is there gonna be a person in there? You see it?
Yeah, it's those like those human doll life size.
The skulls?
No, it's actual like human size.
I know, but it's a skull, right? Like
No.
A calaca?
No,
What the fuck is it then?
it's
No,
an actual like.
Ew, that looks scary. Look at that shit. I'm blind and I can see it. It looks like a person?
Yeah. Why would you see it as?
Like something just standing there.
Okay, it's a person like.
Like a
It's a
statue, but a
a
person.
statue of a person inside of a box.
Inside of a box.
Oh my god, I don't know how to explain myself. But honestly, low key, just by looking at it, I feel like it's moving.
That's what I'm saying. That's what.
That's a trip. It's like moving. Like I don't know, my eyes are like capturing. Like as I'm staring more close. I don't know if I can zoom it in.
It looks weird, huh? It's because I was.
Well, you can't see the fucking light
It's 'cause I
reflection.
was looking at you, and then I seen this thing, and then it says botánica, and then I seen oraciones, and I don't know what, and I just looked at the window, and I see that, and I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it was just by looking here.
No.
It looks like it's moving its head, like it's just like gently moving, like I don't know. But yeah, I think it's my eyesight, you know. But my brain's messing me up because I'm like kind of dumb and stupid at the same time.
True.
But yeah, that's how I see it as.
But it's a person?
Not a human person.
I know.
But it's like a person.
Like a wax thing?
Yeah, like a wax figure human.
For real?
Inside a box, and it's around the glass.
How scary.
You know, like those muñecas, the dolls?
Yeah.
Inside, like that.
Like that Kylie Jenner one?
What do you mean?
The Elvis, the wax museum?
Yeah, okay, like that. Pero inside of a box, and he's around, unless he's outside.
That looks outside of me. The box looks in the back.
I don't know.
Behind it.
But it looks like it's looking at me like dead on point.
Same.
Like,
That's why I was tripping out, because I was like, this is locked.
he's
And
moving his head like just by looking at my film, like he's doing this.
Huh. Dominoes. You're gonna do it here?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. You can get off and look and see if somebody's in there. Oh, I'm probably gonna be coughing a lot in this video because I'm fucking sick. You know, I got a weak immune system. So this is where I'm gonna get my fucking mufflers. You know, that's where my boy.
You can't see nothing because
Yeah, because of the sun. But hey, I'm like the fucking next guy next in line because I came early. But yeah, I'm gonna get them cut. $80. I guess in 40 for each side. I drove with my brother. There's not gonna be no drones. It's not gonna be too loud, too stupid loud. You know, like the V6. Well, I had a V6 charger. I had like
that one was loud now?
that one was loud. Yeah, because I took out the resonator, and I had just Mid-Mufflers delete and had like a whack ass pipe. I like it, but I didn't like it because of the drone. Oh, the baby looks cute.
I know, that's what I said.
Look at the baby. We can't see it no more. But yeah. So if my boy's seeing this video, you know where I'm at. You know, next to your job, right here. I don't know if I want to come and try over here the food or the ceviche that you guys have. But yeah, we're gonna come over here one day. You can't see it. Oh yeah, you can.
Dude, that looks scary. I'm gonna fucking cry. Se mira más the shadow from the back. Oh my god.
It's crazy because at her job she sees ghosts.
Literally, see ghosts.
There's ghosts at her job, so that's why she's like, I'm scared, I'm gonna cry.
No, it's because they follow me. Look, dude.
Watch him close his eyes.
Stop.
She's over here getting it close to the face. Watch him just go.
What'd you be like?
Nah, like he's just looking at you. Like, I don't know if you can see it. Alright.
You can't really see it because of the shadow from the back.
Yeah, well, that's the face that my wife is seeing. Oh, look, he's done. Michael, your car's done. Look.
Marco.
Marco. See, look, there goes Michael. Michael's Integra. I'm gonna check. My wife is over here. And Chris. Oh no, he's outside. He's out. He's like this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Well, this is the one that I'm gonna do. Check it out. Yeah. Well, this is the one that I'm gonna do. I'm finally put back my 22 inches. You know. Got the work well. You know, the future be looking good. Let's do this. Check it out. Mom, maybe get out. A little walk around in my car. I still got a lot of work to do with this one. Trying to do the side skirts, the front splitter. Yeah, get out and go sit next to your boy over there. So let's do this. Well, we finally cutting them. Let's do this. The video here. Record. Let's go straight. We're good. We're in park. Let's go. And there she goes. She's getting that surgery of her life. We're gonna go get them cut today.
Okay. Aquí y aquí, es todo lo que quieres, ¿verdad?
Hey, yeah.
Aquí y aquí.
Yeah, eso es todo. Alright, so these are the ones we're gonna take out. This and this. And then, well, I'm keeping these. For sure, I'm keeping these. But I'm taking out these two, and I'm keeping them myself. Where's my lady at? This? A little quick down inspection down here before we head out, because I can't do this in my job. I'm a little excited, don't get me wrong. My brother got me jealous when he did his.
She has nice red.
Ooh. Yeah, so my brother got me jealous when he did his. Let's go do one for the gram. Let me get in the shade. Yeah, whether you guys have it. Mid pipes delete. Feels empty. I'm about to get them cut and installed. There you go. Just in case I ever want to put these back. Alright guys, it's just like that. We got those two pipes installed. We doing fish. She just finished with that surgery, right? Cool. And just like that, surgery's done. Can't wait. Alright, well let me go pay that guy real quick and then we'll be right back. Alright, we just finished paying the man George. Let's get it going. Here she goes. Ahí está. Alright. Make some room here. Gonna put these mufflers in there. Price.
Hey, don't call me Grace. My name is Baby. That shit's loud here.
No, it ain't loud. All right, let's go. All right, man. My boy George hooked it up. Thank you, George. You know,
Homie George.
yeah, the homie George. Anybody want mufflers? You know how to do it. All right, let's hear how this sounds. What was that? I heard a metal cling. What was it? What I ran over? Or what fell?
No, something down.
Think so? I'll check before I leave. Oh, I guess my muffler fell. I don't know if this is his or mine or it got cut. I'm gonna check. I'll be back. George, mira, no sé si se me cayó de eso.
Oh, no, no. A mí se me olvidó quitárselo.
Oh, right.
Es que para que no quedaran pegando, le puse este para que esto me lo niveló.
Oh, ok, porque se cayó. Digo, oh, shit. Ah, gracias. Alright. A heart skip. That shit dropped and I was like, oh my god. He didn't tighten it. He didn't weld it right. No, he used that as an adjustment. And he forgot to take it out, so when I went forward, it fell. Alright, so we're gonna go slow because I seen 2 cops roll up by now right now. Or 1 cop actually. So we're gonna just cruise it and just chill it. But it sounds nice though. Oh shit, where's the exit? Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how this baby sounds. Yeah, it's true.
Dude, he's such right. My homie Prius.
See how it doesn't sound too loud? See how it doesn't sound too loud, Bruce? Not too loud. Let's go this way. Yeah, I can make it easier. Yeah, so this Gracie thinks it's not loud. Well, it's loud outside, but it's not.
No, but face more though.
No. No. No, I'm about to hit the freeway right now because I gotta go drop off something and then we'll see how I go. But since I like it in sport mode, like it's sport mode, it's on. See it?
You were.
Sport mode's on. Look at her, she's already down by herself. Alright, let's get it, let's get it. About to get it on. Alright, here you go. Little pull, a little one. I actually don't want to do it. Fuck it. Woo! Mario got to do his. My brother got to do his. I didn't get to enjoy it. He's enjoying his. I'm not.
He's waiting for you. The cop is gonna pull you over right now.
What cop?
Right now, watch. Is it up there? 'Cause I can't see.
That's not a cop.
In front of the fucking.
Oh, no.
The mailman.
Battery's low. Yeah, so far it sounds good. No drone. No bad on the eardrum. Because my other car, my V6, that shit was bugging me as much as I can. As it was. I was trying to get it back, my mufflers. But I couldn't because I had already thrown them away. My guy kept it. But yeah.
Los huevos from the morning.
The eggs for the morning. Alright guys, so I got it installed. Couldn't do no pulls or anything like that. I was trying to find a spot empty. But there was a lot of cops going on around me. But anyways, this is how it looks. Warm started. it opens up the valve and it's just all the wind. It sounds just amazing, you know. Check it out. But I got my brothers right here getting ready to go. His is already getting shot out the black too. Look at that. Oh man, mine's gonna end up being like that sooner or later too. It's not nice. But anyways, that's my mid-muffler deleted on my 2019 Dodge Charger Hemi, octane red. Oh. All right, so my brother wants me to show him his my warm start or cold start.
It's warm start. Wait till tomorrow morning.
Yeah, tomorrow morning. No, but I'm gonna show you guys on his. Okay, so this is warm start. Hold it. That's my warm start. All right, cold start for my brothers. Let's go, check it out. Right next to the gas. I'm gonna do a little car wash right here because it's already dirty. Nasty dirty. Check it out. This. It's a dirty ass car. Has been in the garage locked up for 3 days. Oh. Hold on. I'm gonna move my car. Oh yes, I'm gonna move my car. Ugh. There you go. So that was cold start for him because that car's been there for 3 days in the garage. Mine was because it's been running for quite a while, but that's how it is. They're both the same. We got the same car, the same engine. It's just different color. It's just, it would have sounded different if it was a 392, you know, like usual. But that's what it is. That's the warm start and the cold start. That's what's gonna sound every morning from my car. My next mod, well, of course, is gonna be the Easy Lift Pro under the bottom of the bumper. Either that or the splitter, the side skirts as well. And I already got the wicker boat. That was my first mod, and then I got the diffuser. That was my other one. And then the interiors, you know, like the sides, I got these. That was my other mod. My little small one from RT, I got that from I believe MPR, something like that. I'll leave it down below. I want to I know somebody, you know, that does this area, wrap these. I want to do that, you know, or wrap them myself. It's, you know, getting ready to do that. But yeah, that's what I want to do to my car. I still got more things to do. I want to actually do to them and stuff like that. I'm either thinking of getting it racing stripes. I'm still deciding the color, or if I should do them. I don't know yet. And that's basically my plan for this car. I ain't trying to get too crazy, you know, because it's just the money wise, you know, I don't got much money to do all those. But hopefully, you know, later on in the future, if I have enough, then sure enough, we're gonna do them. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my brother's Instagram below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.